Morning YouTube. Today we'll be taking a look at a Skyjack SJ 3219 mobile working platform. This one is a sky coated unit. You can tell that by the black box, and it has a screen on the inside of your hydraulic tank or hydraulic tray. We'll just be giving a quick once over. This one is a rapid fold, so if you remove these pins all the way around, this whole top section will fold down to about 6'3". I think it was 6'3", it's 6'6", so it should fit through any doorway. Controls are pretty basic. Forward, reverse, and then your steering is on top of the trigger. On the 3219, this switch means nothing. It is for 3226s, 4732s, 4740s, where it will actually limit the torque, or sorry, it'll limit the speed and increase the torque to get you out of rough terrain, stuff like that. These scissor lifts are not meant for rough terrain, but just in case you need a little extra torque, you can switch that to the hill climb mode, and it will usually get you out of sticky situations. The smaller ones, 3219, 3220, 3215, it literally does nothing. The switch down here, you can switch to travel, off, which pretty much limits nothing, and your lift. So you can lift, lower, and drive with that one. Regular horn and your e-stop. So your e-stops are connected to this e-stop right here, and you have a battery isolator right here. This will pretty much lock off all power to the unit. So we find sometimes these get kicked, or those will get kicked, or somebody will play a little prank and turn that off. That's a good thing to know where it is located. You can raise this one from the lower control box. Your main lift cylinder here. You do have a safety bar, so what you do is lower the unit onto the safety bar, and it is not going anywhere. Emergency lowering is located on the hydraulic tray, or the hydraulic door, and it is just a switch this time. No opening valves on these ones, so you can see a better look at the switch. It works both ways, and we'll lower the unit. This is your Sky Code reader, and it will tell you what's going on, if there's any errors. So let me turn off the upper e-stop. We should get an error. So right now it is telling you, shut down, check emergency switches. So that is one of the indications. Hey, one of my switches is out. That one's out, so you can go to your upper control box, turn that back on, and you'll have your functions back. Okay. Close that. Right here on the front of the unit, underneath, there is a freewheeling valve. What that will allow is, if you are stuck and need to push it forward or backwards, you can open that valve counterclockwise, and it will allow these front drive motors to spin freely without resistance. And on the back, your brakes right here, if you turn them with a 19 millimeter wrench or a 3/4 inch wrench, both will work. You can turn those, release those, and then be able to push the unit. You do have platform power built in. You can access platform power by plugging into this one. There's your charger cable here. And that's just a quick overview of a 3219. Hopefully that helps, and hopefully you have a great adventure with yours. And any questions, you can just leave a comment. And thanks a lot for watching my video on an overview of a Skyjack 3219 that is sky coated. If you have any questions, concerns, or if you would like me to make more of a technical video regarding any Skyjack related products, just reach out, and I will try to fulfill all the requests. But have yourself a wonderful day, and keep your harness on. All right, take care. Bye.